hotel here in Fujairah. Hotel Palace, right? Beach Palace. Beach Palace. Beach Resort Fujairah. Hala, guys. Hi. Good afternoon. We are so tired. Hotel guys in Fujairah. Yeah, actually tomorrow though is their 4th year anniversary here. Yeah, but tomorrow we will check out again. But 2 o'clock our check out same time like this. So we will go in the Hilton Hotel. Ang ganda din dito. Diba? Super nice. On the 3rd floor. We are searching our room. It's nice. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. If like our staying, this is the same people there. Room tour. To our room. So this one we can see first, baby. Oh. Yeah, open the light. You need to open the light. It's a touch screen. See? Hello, guys. See, this is the what is mood. Much fitted. The hotel and this one is so much huge. See, guys. Yeah, this is their toothbrush. Everything is here. See. Oh my God! Look at what's this. Our coffee machine. Open the light, Mr. Allen. It's small also room actually. See, this is another famous hotel here, guys, in Fujairah. But it's still simple. But it's too much for the price. It's not enough for me. Yeah, the view. Wait, look at this. They have beach. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, then why we not talk like this? It's nice. Besa, hanap kami ng foods ni Kitty Pie. I'm so hungry. We find I don't know if Indian foods. So actually guys, tomorrow we have free breakfast, yeah, na kinuha namin dito sa hotel. And then now we are searching for our food, so let's check kung saan tayo mapatpat. Because sabi niya tomorrow pa daw kasi Thursday pa kami balik sa Abu Dhabi, so we will plan on Wednesday, our last Thursday we will go in the mall. Maliit lang naman ang mall dito guys, kasi ito dito yung Fujairah, parang Ras Al Khaimah lang din, right? It's same Ras Al Khaimah. Sige, look at the view there. Hi. It's the hotel, the Palace Hotel Resort Fujairah. Yes, ang ganda din. So naghintay kami sa aming taxi kasi kakain kami ng lunch. Grabe ang init. Around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, as in ang init talaga. Yeah. Dito kami dati naka-stay nila ni Madam Jen sa City Tower Hotel. Yeah, we go here for our lunch. This Indian restaurant. See, they have different, same the what's this naknak. You remember that one? What's this? Chicken soup?
Hot and sauce.
Hot,
and sauce.
hot and sour? With my fresh mango. Chicken lollipop. Eat that whole chicken lollipop. It's not full fish. Why too much smoke? It's not saying then dada fish. Yes, this is what's this? Main course. I thought. So this is the main course of it. Fish cooking inside the leaves. Banana leaves. Not too much the rice. You only the one who eat that rice. I will not eat. This is our lunch for today. Indian food with this fish cooking in the banana leaves. It's a kingfish. Hello guys, so nakatulog kami ni Kitty ng mga 2 hours. So it's already 6:30 p.m. So punta kami doon sa swimming pool. Pero hindi yata kami maliligo. Chichigil namin yung beach. The card kita, do you have? And the swimming pool. Access, oh, beach access, fitness. See, I think we need to go. This is the gym, guys. This is the pool access.
We'll go to the beach first. They have the grill, fire and walk. They have table tennis. You know table tennis? Yeah.
The cheese, want to try that big cheese?
You go there, it's nice. They have food bars. Shall we go inside? Sisha? Talk? Just sit or stand. Don't fall down. Dance studio swing na. Not open to a program. I think our pool is over. Pool will close when sunset. Sorry, the beach access will be closed. No, that's a pool. Beach sunset. sunset. They're calling everybody back.
Why?
Over.
Close now?
Hmm. 8 o'clock. Beach is complete sunset. It's not white sand, right? Emirates Palace is nice.
In the Diva, it's nice also the beach.
This is nice. Cat is winter.
Oh, what's this?
Hands, black hands. That's okay.
No, I need tissue paper. That's too much blood in the.
The pool is smaller than the Almarjan, right? Pasakema? Almarjan is bigger.
Too much nice daras al kaimao. Yeah, here's our order. Margarita.
Margarita. Thinking.
What's this that margarita? They don't have anything, huh?
No?
Yeah. Margarita, I can see. Hi guys, good morning to the beach. Time check 9:30. So for this video, there's my pre-breakfast kami ginawa. Yes. So yung breakfast nila until 10:30 lang. And then mamaya guys, check out din namin. Late check out kami for this video 3 o'clock. And then lilipat na naman kami sa kabilang hotel doon malapit sa Fujairah Mall. So mall time mamaya. Pumunta kami doon guys sa Hilton Hotel here in Fujairah. So see you there and see you in our breakfast. Sana masarap yung breakfast nila. No? Sana marami silang Asian and Indian foods. Yeah, see you there guys. So look at the song as our own. Their breakfast area guys. Yeah. Hindi lang ang tao. This is our table. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga post nila. Meron din sila ditong fresh cold pot milk. Yeah. Yan. Kalagay dyan. Ano tayong ganyan. We have a lot of fresh food. Turkey ham. Fresh salad. You can make the fresh salad if you want. This is all their fresh food. Diba? 55 pieces, 55 doon. 55 what you want to make it. This is all the fresh fruits guys. The orange. And I forgot what's the name of this. The bread. Oh, the Dunkin' Donut. Small one. Talagang iba sila sa Dubai. Ayan. Sausage. Chinese sausage. Beef bacon. Hash brown. Yan, mayroon din silang egg omelette. Kaso ngayon diet ako, kaya actually ayaw kong mag-breakfast. Kasi lugi ako eh. Kaya masarap sila. Oh, may cupcake ay cupcake. Pancake. Breakfast guys. hot americano, fresh fruit, hot croissant. It's not the croissant. This mushroom, you like the mushroom?
The food is very good.
So for today's video, it's time again for check out here and Palace Beach Resort here in Fujairah. So ngayon pupunta na naman kami sa bagong hotel here in Fujairah sa Hilton Tree Hotel. So see you there guys. Outfit check tayo. Ayan guys, so ito yung sunglass ko na nabili ni Kitty Pie sa Lee Cooper. And of course our bag from Balmain. An outfit check from Shein and like cup from Gucci. Oh my god. See guys, so actually guys, itong cup na to kay Cutie Pie to kaso hindi siya comfortable sa sa color. Gusto niya white. Kasi lalo daw siyang iitim pag ganito ang suot niya. So outfit check. See you and Hilton Tree Dubai. Ay, Dubai. Fujairah.